Science Quest, Episode 1: Unlocking the Secrets of the Universe, Fusion Energy and the Quest for Clean Power. Ever wished you could harness the power of the sun itself? Did you know that the sun's immense energy comes from a process called nuclear fusion? For decades, scientists have been chasing this holy grail of clean energy, a technology that could potentially solve our planet's energy crisis forever. Today on Science Quest, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of fusion energy, exploring the breakthroughs, the challenges, and the incredible potential for a cleaner, brighter future. Unlike the nuclear fission used in current nuclear power plants, which splits atoms, fusion energy mimics the sun's process by combining light atomic nuclei, such as isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium, to form helium. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy, far more than fission, and without the dangerous long-lived radioactive waste. Imagine a tiny sun right here on Earth, but harnessing this power is no easy feat. The temperatures and pressures required to initiate fusion are mind-boggling, millions of degrees Celsius. That's why scientists are developing ingenious methods to contain the superheated plasma, using powerful magnetic fields and devices called tokamaks and stellarators. The international collaboration on the ITER project in France represents a monumental step towards achieving sustained fusion reactions. This massive tokamak aims to demonstrate the scientific and technological feasibility of fusion power. Meanwhile, other exciting projects like MIT Spark are pursuing a more compact and potentially faster path to fusion energy using high-temperature superconducting magnets. These projects are paving the way for smaller, more efficient fusion reactors in the future. Imagine trying to hold a swarm of angry bees. That's what containing plasma is like. Scientists use incredibly powerful magnetic fields to keep the superheated plasma away from the reactor walls, preventing damage and energy loss. Despite the incredible progress, significant hurdles remain. Achieving a burning plasma where the fusion reaction generates more energy than it consumes is a critical milestone that we're yet to fully reach. The engineering complexities are immense, requiring the development of incredibly durable materials capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and pressures. The cost of building these reactors is also substantial, posing a challenge for widespread adoption. Imagine a world powered by fusion, clean, abundant energy for everyone, drastically reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change. No more carbon emissions, no more energy shortages. This is the potential of fusion energy. While widespread commercial fusion power plants are still some years away, the progress being made is truly remarkable. The successful development of fusion energy could revolutionize our energy landscape, providing a clean, safe, and virtually limitless source of power for generations to come. It holds the key to solving global warming, ensuring energy security, and driving technological advancement in numerous sectors. From harnessing the power of the sun to creating a sustainable future, fusion energy represents one of humanity's most ambitious scientific endeavors. The road ahead is challenging, but the potential rewards a clean energy revolution are simply too significant to ignore. Next time on Science Quest, we'll be exploring the mind-bending world of quantum computing and the potential to solve problems currently intractable for even the most powerful supercomputers. Stay tuned. Science Quest, Episode 1: Unlocking the Universe, CRISPR Gene Editing and the Future of Medicine. Did you know that we're on the verge of rewriting the very code of life? Forget sci-fi fantasies, gene editing is here and it's changing everything. Today, on Science Quest, we're diving deep into the revolutionary world of CRISPR, a technology so precise and powerful it's rewriting the future of medicine and beyond. It's going to blow your mind. At the heart of every living organism lies DNA, the blueprint of life. It's a complex molecule, but think of it like a long instruction manual. Sometimes there are errors, typos in this manual, causing diseases and genetic disorders. CRISPR-Cas9 is like a revolutionary editing tool, allowing scientists to precisely pinpoint and correct these errors. It's a naturally occurring system found in bacteria, repurposed for our benefit. Imagine molecular scissors, guided by a GPS system, snipping out faulty genes and replacing them with healthy ones. So, how does this incredibly precise editing work? The Cas9 enzyme acts as our molecular scissors, guided by a short RNA sequence. Think of it as a personalized GPS that targets a specific location within the DNA. Once it finds its target, the Cas9 cuts the DNA, allowing scientists to either remove, replace, or insert genetic material. The potential applications of CRISPR are mind-boggling. We're talking about potentially curing genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, and even Huntington's disease, conditions that have plagued humanity for generations. Clinical trials are already underway, showing promising results in treating various cancers and blood disorders. But the applications extend far beyond treating diseases. Scientists are exploring the use of CRISPR in agriculture to create crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and climate change. Imagine drought-resistant wheat feeding millions, or disease-resistant bananas ensuring food security in vulnerable regions. Of course, with such a powerful technology comes significant ethical considerations. The potential for misuse, such as creating designer babies with enhanced traits, raises serious concerns. The off-target effects, unintended cuts in the DNA, need to be carefully addressed. Rigorous research, ethical guidelines, and open public dialogue are crucial to ensuring responsible development and implementation of this technology. We need to have a global conversation about these ethical dilemmas. What are your thoughts? Should we be pursuing these advancements with caution, or are the potential benefits too great to ignore? Let us know your views in the comments below. Imagine a future where genetic diseases are a thing of the past, where crops are resilient to climate change, ensuring global food security, where we can engineer microorganisms to clean up pollution and even create sustainable biofuels. CRISPR is not just a scientific breakthrough, it's a key that unlocks a future brimming with possibilities. CRISPR gene editing is undoubtedly one of the most significant scientific advancements of our time. Its power to rewrite the code of life opens doors to incredible possibilities in medicine, agriculture, and beyond, while simultaneously demanding careful ethical consideration. But this is only the beginning of our journey into the world of cutting-edge science. Next time on Science Quest, we'll explore the mind-bending world of quantum computing. Prepare to have your understanding of reality challenged. CRISPR gene editing, CRISPR explained, gene editing technology, genetic engineering, CRISPR-Cas9, gene therapy, genetic diseases, ethical considerations, biotechnology, future of medicine, agriculture, clinical trials, DNA editing. Science Quest, Unlocking the Universe, Episode 1, CRISPR, the Gene Editing Revolution. Welcome to Science Quest, where we explore the frontiers of scientific discovery. Tonight, we delve into a technology so powerful, it's rewriting the rules of life itself, CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing. Did you know that a single faulty gene can cause devastating diseases like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease? For centuries, these conditions were considered incurable. But now, a revolutionary technology is offering a glimmer of hope, CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing. It's a bit like having molecular scissors and a highly advanced copy-paste function for our DNA. CRISPR, short for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, is a naturally occurring system found in bacteria. These bacteria use CRISPR as a defense mechanism against viruses. Scientists have cleverly repurposed this system, using a guide RNA molecule to target specific DNA sequences and an enzyme called Cas9 to act like molecular scissors, precisely cutting the DNA at that location. Imagine your DNA as a vast library filled with countless books, each book representing a gene. Some books might have typos, mutations, leading to errors in the instructions. CRISPR allows us to pinpoint these typos, cut out the faulty section, and either repair it using the cell's natural repair mechanisms or insert a corrected sequence. It's like having a highly precise editor for the book of life. The incredible precision of CRISPR is what sets it apart. Previous gene editing methods were like using a sledgehammer, often causing unintended damage to the genome. CRISPR, on the other hand, is much more targeted and efficient, minimizing off-target effects. The potential applications of CRISPR are truly breathtaking. We're talking about, imagine a future where diseases like sickle cell anemia, Huntington's disease, and even some types of cancer could be cured by simply editing the faulty genes. Clinical trials are already underway, showing promising results. Visual images showcasing potential CRISPR applications in treating genetic diseases. CRISPR can be used to enhance crop resilience to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions, potentially revolutionizing agriculture and addressing food security challenges globally. Visual images showing healthy and productive crops modified with CRISPR. Researchers are exploring the use of CRISPR to engineer immune cells to fight cancer more effectively. Visual, microscopic images showing immune cells targeting cancer cells. CRISPR can be used to develop new antiviral and antibacterial therapies. Visual animation showcasing CRISPR use against viruses and bacteria. While CRISPR holds immense promise, it also raises important ethical concerns. The possibility of altering the human germ and the genes passed down to future generations raises profound questions about design of babies and unintended consequences. Strict ethical guidelines and regulations are crucial to ensure responsible development and application of this technology. Despite these challenges, the future of CRISPR is bright. Scientists are constantly refining the technology, making it even more precise and efficient. We are likely to see a surge of new applications in the coming years, transforming medicine, agriculture, and many other fields. CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing represents a paradigm shift in our ability to manipulate life at its most fundamental level. It's a powerful tool with the potential to cure diseases, revolutionize agriculture, and reshape our understanding of biology. However, responsible development and careful consideration of the ethical implications are paramount. Next time on Science Quest, we'll explore the mind-bending world of quantum computing, where the laws of quantum mechanics are harnessed to solve problems that are currently intractable for even the most powerful supercomputers. Join us then as we journey into the quantum realm. Science Quest, Episode 7, Unraveling the Universe, From CRISPR to Cosmic Mysteries. Welcome back to Science Quest, where we explore the frontiers of scientific discovery. Did you know that scientists have recently used CRISPR technology to correct a genetic defect in a human embryo in utero? This groundbreaking achievement opens a new chapter in our ability to prevent inherited diseases, but it also raises profound ethical questions. Today, we'll journey from the microscopic world of gene editing to the vast expanse of the cosmos, exploring some of the most exciting and mind-bending advancements in science. First up, keyword, CRISPR gene editing. Imagine being able to precisely edit our DNA, like correcting typos in a code. That's the power of CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool. This technology uses a naturally occurring enzyme Cas9, guided by a short RNA molecule to target and cut specific DNA sequences. This allows scientists to delete, insert, or replace genes with incredible accuracy. The implications are staggering. We could potentially eradicate genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. We could even engineer crops resistant to pests and climate change. But, as with any powerful technology, ethical considerations are paramount. What are the long-term effects? Should we be editing the human germline, affecting future generations? These are questions we must grapple with as this technology advances. Let's shift gears and talk about a potential solution to our energy crisis, keyword, fusion energy breakthrough. Our sun generates energy through nuclear fusion, the process of combining light atomic nuclei to form heavier ones, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. For decades, scientists have strived to replicate this process on Earth, and we're seeing significant progress. Imagine a world powered by a clean, virtually limitless source of energy, producing no greenhouse gases. That's the promise of fusion. While we're not quite there yet, recent breakthroughs, like the achievement of net energy gain in experiments at the National Ignition Facility, bring us closer to realizing this dream. But the challenge is immense. We need to maintain incredibly high temperatures and pressures to initiate and sustain fusion reactions. Now, let's journey into the world of keyword, artificial intelligence explained. AI is rapidly transforming our lives, from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Imagine AI systems diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy than human doctors, or developing new drugs at an unprecedented speed. But AI also presents challenges. Concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the potential misuse of AI are very real. We need to develop responsible AI guidelines to ensure its benefits are shared widely and its risks are mitigated. Looking Beyond Earth continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge and ingenuity. The James Webb Space Telescope is providing breathtaking images of distant galaxies, helping us understand the universe's origins and evolution. Meanwhile, missions to Mars are gathering crucial data, bringing us closer to understanding whether life ever existed on the red planet. Imagine a future where humans establish a permanent presence on Mars or even explore other star systems. This might seem like science fiction, but the advancements in rocketry, robotics, and life support systems are making this a more realistic possibility than ever before. From the intricacies of gene editing to the vastness of space, this episode has showcased just a fraction of the incredible scientific breakthroughs shaping our world. But the journey of scientific discovery is far from over. Next time on Science Quest, we'll delve into the mysteries of exploring the invisible forces that dominate our universe. Join us then as we continue our quest for knowledge. Science Quest: Unlocking the Secrets of the Universe, Episode 1, The CRISPR Revolution and Gene Editing. Ever wondered if we could write the code of life itself? Imagine a world where genetic diseases are eradicated, where we can tailor crops to withstand climate change and even enhance human capabilities. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Welcome to Science Quest, where we explore the cutting-edge advancements shaping our future. Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary world of CRISPR-Cas9, the gene editing technology that's rewriting the rules of biology. CRISPR, short for clustered regularly into space short palindromic repeats, isn't some futuristic acronym. It's a naturally occurring gene editing system discovered in bacteria. Think of it as bacteria's ancient immune system. Bacteria use CRISPR to remember and defend against viruses. The CRISPR-Cas9 system, the one we use in labs, works like a highly precise pair of molecular scissors. A guide RNA molecule designed to match a specific DNA sequence leads the Cas9 enzyme to the target location in the genome. Once there, Cas9 cuts the DNA, allowing scientists to either disable a gene, correct a mutation, or insert a new gene. The implications of CRISPR are staggering. Imagine a future where conditions like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Huntington's disease could be eradicated by correcting the faulty genes responsible. Think about the relief this would bring to countless families. CRISPR could be used to enhance the effectiveness of immunotherapy, making it more precise and powerful in targeting cancer cells. We could engineer crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh climates, improving food security globally. Imagine drought-resistant crops thriving in arid regions. We could modify mosquitoes to prevent the spread of malaria and other vector-borne diseases. Think of the impact on global health. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of CRISPR are complex and far-reaching. Modifying genes in reproductive cells raises concerns about unintended consequences for future generations. What if we unintentionally introduce new problems? Ensuring equitable access to this revolutionary technology is crucial. We must prevent a scenario where only the wealthy can benefit from gene editing. The long-term effects of CRISPR are still being studied. Understanding potential off-target effects and unintended mutations is paramount. Despite these challenges, the future of CRISPR is bright. Research is constantly refining the technology, making it more precise and efficient. Scientists are exploring new applications, such as developing gene therapies for age-related diseases and enhancing our understanding of fundamental biological processes. Poll question on screen. Do you think CRISPR gene editing should be used to enhance human capabilities? Audience votes via online platform/social media. CRISPR-Cas9 is not just a scientific breakthrough, it's a profound technological revolution with the potential to reshape our world. Understanding both its immense promise and its ethical challenges is crucial as we navigate this exciting and transformative era. Next time on Science Quest, we'll explore the mind-bending world of quantum computing, the technology that could revolutionize everything from medicine to artificial intelligence. Get ready to journey into the quantum realm.